My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Commerce 6th semester subject Research Methodology and Project Report as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 1, the important short question is: 1. What is research? Answer. Research means finding out something new or gaining deeper knowledge about a topic. It is a careful study to understand a problem, idea, or situation better. Research helps us make smart decisions using facts, not guesses. Example. Suppose you want to buy a mobile phone. You don't just buy the first one you see. You check reviews, compare prices, look at features. That's a small type of research. In education, research is done in a planned way. For example, a student may research the impact of social media on student studies. They collect data through surveys or interviews, study it, and give results. Easy trick to remember. RESEARCH. Real effort to search, explore and report clear helpful facts. Research is like solving a mystery using tools like surveys, books, or the internet. Next important short question is: 2. What is research design? Answer. Research design is like a blueprint or plan for doing research. It tells us what, how, when, and where to collect and analyze data. A good research design helps us do the study in the right way and get correct results. Example. Imagine you want to study why college students prefer fast food. Your research design will include: what data to collect, student preferences; how to collect it, survey, interviews; when to collect, during lunch breaks; where to collect, in college canteen. It's like planning a trip. You decide where to go, how to go, when to go, and what to carry. Similarly, research design helps plan the entire research journey. Easy trick to remember. RD is equal to roadmap for data. So, research design is the roadmap that guides your study from start to finish. Next important short question is: 3. What do you understand by levels of measurement? Answer. Levels of measurement mean the different ways of collecting and organizing data in research. There are 4 main levels: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Think of them as steps on a ladder. Each step gives more information than the last. 1. Nominal, name only. Data is just named or labeled. Example: gender, male, female, blood group, A, B, O. 2. Ordinal, order matters. Data shows order or rank. Example: first, second, third in a race. 3. Interval, equal gaps, no true zero. Data has equal difference but no true zero. Example: temperature, 0 degrees Celsius doesn't mean no heat. 4. Ratio, has true zero. Like interval, but has a real zero. Example: weight, height, age. Easy trick to remember. NOIR is equal to names, order, interval, ratio. Each level helps choose the right method to collect and analyze data. Next important short question is: 4. Define hypothesis. Answer. A hypothesis is a guess or assumption made at the start of research. It is a statement that the researcher wants to test and prove right or wrong using data. In simple words, a hypothesis is like saying, I think this might be true, now let me check. Example. If a student says, I think students who study at night score better than those who study in the morning, this is a hypothesis. The researcher will then collect marks of both groups and compare them to see if the guess is correct. There are two types. Null hypothesis, H no effect or no difference. Alternative hypothesis, H there is an effect or difference. Easy trick to remember. Hypothesis is equal to hyper-thought to test. It helps the researcher stay focused and find the correct answers through proper study. Next unit 1 important long questions. First important long question is 1. Explain the steps involved in the research process. Answer. The research process is a step-by-step journey to find answers to a question or solve a problem. Just like cooking a dish needs proper steps, research also needs a proper plan. Here are the main steps. 1. Selection of topic. Choose a topic that interests you and is useful. Example, effect of online classes on student performance. 2. Define the problem. Make your topic into a clear question. Example, do online classes improve marks in college students? 3. Review of literature. Read books, articles, and research papers related to your topic to understand what others have already studied. 4. Form a hypothesis. Make a smart guess, assumption that you will test. Example, students attending regular online classes score higher marks. 5. Research design. Plan how you will collect and analyze the data, survey, interview, etc. 6. Data collection. Gather information using tools like questionnaires, surveys, interviews, or observations. 7. Data analysis. Use charts, tables, or software to study and understand the collected data. 8. Interpretation. Find meaning from the data. Does it support your hypothesis or not? 9. Conclusion and recommendations. Write the final results of your study and give suggestions. Example, online classes help, but live interaction should be improved. 10. Report writing. Prepare a proper research report with all steps, findings, and references. Easy trick to remember. S.D.R.H.R.D.A.I.C.R. Select topic, define problem, review literature, hypothesis, research, design, data collection, analysis, interpretation, conclusion, report. Research is like solving a mystery. Each step takes you closer to the truth. Next important long question is 2. Explain the process of identification of research problem. Answer. Identifying a research problem means finding a specific issue or question that needs to be studied. It is the first and most important step in research. A good research problem should be clear, specific, and researchable. Steps to identify a research problem. 1. Select a broad area of interest. Choose a subject that interests you like marketing, education, health, technology, etc. Example, you are interested in education. 2. Read and explore, preliminary study. Read books, articles, newspapers, or online sources to understand what is already known. You read articles about online learning. 3. Identify gaps or issues. Look for problems or questions that are not fully answered. You find that there is little information on how online learning affects students in rural areas. 4. Discuss with teachers or experts. Talk to professors, guide, or field experts to get better ideas or confirm your topic. 5. Narrow down the topic. Make the topic more specific and focused. From online education, narrow it to online education in rural Maharashtra. 6. Check practicality, feasibility. Make sure you can get data, time, and resources to study the problem. 7. Write the problem clearly. Frame your research problem in a simple and clear sentence. Example: what are the challenges faced by rural college students in Maharashtra while attending online classes? Easy trick to remember. SRID and FW. Select, read, identify gaps, discuss, narrow down, feasibility, write clearly. Conclusion. A well-defined research problem gives direction to your study. It's like choosing the right question before finding the answer. Next important long question is: 3. Explain in detail about the procedure of testing a hypothesis. Answer. Hypothesis testing is the process of checking whether your assumption, guess, about something is true or not, using data and facts. It helps you decide if your research findings are meaningful or just by chance. Steps in hypothesis testing. 1. Formulate hypotheses. There are two types. Null hypothesis, H. No difference or effect. Alternative hypothesis, H. There is a difference or effect. Example: H. Online classes have no effect on marks. H. Online classes improve marks. 2. Select a significance level, alpha. Usually 0.055%. This means you are ready to accept a 5% chance of error in your result. 3. Choose the right test. Based on your data type and sample size, choose a statistical test like z-test, t-test, chi-square, etc. 4. Collect and analyze data. Gather data using surveys, questionnaires, or experiments and calculate the test value using formulas or software. 5. Compare with critical value p-value. If p-value alpha 0.05, reject H, your guess is correct. If p-value alpha accept H, your guess is not supported. 6. Draw conclusion. Decide whether your hypothesis was right or wrong based on the result. Example: if p-value is 0.03, less than 0.05, then online classes do improve marks. Easy trick to remember. F.S.C.C.D. Form hypothesis, set alpha, choose, test, collect data, calculate, decide. Conclusion. Testing a hypothesis is like testing an idea with proof. It gives your research a strong base and helps in making correct decisions using facts, not guesses. I hope you understand easily each question. All the best, students, for your upcoming exam. For other subject, quick revision. Important questions, previous question papers, and syllabus. Links are available in description. Check out once. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.